Hello students, the last part of past perfect continuous. Interrogative negative. Past tense is divided into four parts: indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Today past perfect continuous is also divided into four parts: affirmative, negative, interrogative and interrogative negative. Today interrogative negative, the last part of past perfect continuous, is going to be described with the final phase of past tense. The sentence in which interrogation and negation, प्रश्नवाचकता और नकारात्मकता, both are given in the same sentence is called interrogative negative. Both of the things, questioning and not, entered in the same sentence is called interrogative negative. इस वाक्य में प्रश्न पूछे जाने के साथ साथ नहीं शब्द का भी प्रयोग हो, उसे हम प्रश्नवाचक नकारात्मक वाक्य कहते हैं. As in previous topics you have heard or observed, each of the parts having its four different phases: affirmative, negative, interrogative and interrogative negative. Like that, past perfect continuous have also two parts: what type interrogative, who type interrogative. In what type interrogative, interrogative word kya in Hindi is given in the starting of the sentence along with negative word nahi in Hindi. As you know, tense is only needed at the time of translating Hindu to English or English to Hindi, and in speaking system, giving the speech, debate or writing any more like article, application, etc. In all these systematic phases, it is needed to know how to construct the sentence and what's its simultaneous meaning is going to be given by the speaker, by the writer in the sentence. So, in what type interrogative negative, interrogative word kya is given in the starting of the sentence along with negative word नहीं. क्या से प्रश्न पूछे जाने के साथ ही साथ वाक्य में कहीं न कहीं निगेशन, निगेटिव वर्ड नहीं भी प्रयोग किया जाता है, उसे हम व्हाट टाइप इंट्रोगेटिव कहते हैं. इस तरह के वाक्य को बनाने के लिए फॉर द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस, बिकॉज had been helping verb is used in this part past perfect continuous, and as you know, in interrogative negative, had and been, both helping verbs are divided into two parts, and in between that subject is used. So rule is helping verb had plus subject, and not is used before been helping verb and after subject, and before plus object, pt bata since for plus time plus question mark, because it has time bound relation, prediction of time. So prediction of time since and for is given here. Now the second part, who type, WHO type interrogative. Words, interrogative words along with negative word is given in the midst of the sentence. इसमें प्रश्नवाचक शब्द और निगेटिव वर्ड नहीं, दोनों ही वाक्य के बीच में दिए जाते हैं, इसलिए इसे डिस्क्रिप्टिव टाइप ऑफ इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव भी कहते हैं. नाउ द रूल इज क्वेश्चन वर्ड. एज यू नो, previously it has already been described that in WHO type interrogative, question word is given in the starting of the sentence. कई बार पहले भी मैं बता चुका हूँ कि WHO और who type interrogative में जो भी प्रश्नवाचक शब्द वाक्य के बीच में रहता है उसी से हम वाक्य को प्रारंभ करते हैं. तो रूल इसका निकलता है, क्वेश्चन वर्ड प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैड, सब्जेक्ट प्लस नॉट प्लस बीन, MB4 प्लस सब्जेक्ट, PT बटा सिंस फॉर प्लस टाइम प्लस क्वीन, क्वेश्चन मार्क लास्ट में दिया जाता है. इस तरह ये दोनों ही वाक्य अपने अपने दिए गए नियम अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल गिवन इन द ग्रामेटिकल फॉर्मेशंस, द सेंटेंस composed by this system, constructed by this system. Now example, had he not been going to school for 2 days, क्या वह 2 दिन से विद्यालय नहीं जाता रहा था. And why had they not been talking since noon, वे लोग दोपहर से क्यों नहीं बात करते रहे थे. You can see the sentences arranged here in proper way of both of the parts, what type interrogative and WHO type interrogative. If any rule, anything in the rule given is to be missed, the construction of sentence will be wrong and your effort to complete the sentence will be expired. कितना भी प्रयास करेंगे, दिए गए नियम के अनुसार अगर आप वाक्य का कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं करते हैं तो आपका परिश्रम बेकार हो जाएगा, कंस्ट्रक्शन गलत हो जाएगा. थैंक यू. Subscribe this channel and like the video.